Bobcats and lynx are closely related but differ in key ways. Bobcats are generally smaller, have shorter legs, smaller paws, and more clearly defined spotting on their coats. They're adaptable and thrive in a variety of habitats across North America, from deserts to forests. Lynxes, such as the Canada lynx, have longer legs, notably larger paws adapted for walking on snow, and thicker, less distinctly spotted fur suited for colder northern climates. Both have tufted ears and short tails, but lynx's ear tufts tend to be more prominent.